now on.
Hello vlog. Hi guys.
Okay guys.
So guys, meet lady. The lady of the fort.
You tell us what's this, where are we going? This one.
Here.
Huh?
This is my vlog. Yes. So happy Sunday. We're here in what's the name of the place? Chatham, huh? Chatham Kent. Oh, so we're going to Parks Blueberries.
Guys, wala isa sa tag-iya sa Parks Blueberry, guys. Ang
Yeah.
kayo nga si and with sa iyang iro nga si
That's the lady. So we're going there.
Mas siya nilakaw, guys. Siya kailangan magpa-film, guys.
Tanaw din murag-mura siya og kanang kuano kanang
Where are we
kanang.
going?
So what's there? What's in there?
So what can we expect
And
in
these are cornfields. We are at the
Blueberries
farmlands.
Park?
Yeah.
For sure there's blueberries in
Yeah,
there.
blueberries niya. Muna yung mga cornfield, guys. Tanawa, guys, ha? Nice kind of cornfields.
Kaya abin ninyo sa Pilipinas na rin nasa ani diri sa Canada.
Kung ang mais sa Pinas guys, init, dari bugnaw.
Yeah.
Kita
So
mo, guys.
come join us guys and let's check out what else can we see in
Muna
there.
yung kuon. These are...
Muna ni
These are the
blueberries.
berries?
Oh,
these are
muna
the
ni.
berries kay Kusho.
Da.
Ano dito?
Oh,
Wala
diri.
guys, kanina pa, malaka. 42.
Pila ni ka?
42?
Ano no?
42? 45. 42 acres of land. Of
Muna
berries.
ilang business diri guys.
Maoni siya, guys.
So,
Uh-huh.
pareha gyapon ni sa tuwa dito na half or
You ask the owner.
You ask the owner, Ann? So if we pick berries, do we pay? Huh? Do we pay? You don't know? Free? Oh, mauni.
okay.
Agi, ano ang sugiday nila ilahan ko? Ano yung supply mo? I-market ba, di ba? They're one of the local suppliers here in Toronto.
Muna ni maabot dito sa White Horse.
Muna siya maabot sa ikaw ani deliver dito guys sa
Oh.
mga guys kay
Mahal na kayo dito.
mahal na kay nga dito nga ni Frira. Oo, blueberries ni padulaan niya ni inya.
Dara oh, dara.
Oh, nara,
Dara
oh.
Muna la mo na ni. Oh.
Paduol niya mi guys, busod niya mi sa screen. Di ko anan sa orchid mahal sa kuan.
Let's go. Come check this out. So, we're here guys. Are you guys ready?
Hi, hi.
Let's check. Nice. Oh, nice.
Ay, din na ang ilahan kuan.
Ah,
Anak mo patimbang.
dire oh, dire. Pwede sa
Kaya greenhouse bro.
tara oh. Big farm.
Ano o patimbang sa imong nakli?
Oh. And then half and half too?
And I can't go inside with the dog.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, so you will just stay here?
Okay, thank you. Oh, today's ato sa welcomes to parks.
Drink Recam.
Para ang 7 benefits of blueberries.
Get more info. Thank you.
Hello,
Apologies.
Reka boy. This is Reka. This is
Chuk. Lahi di ay.
Ikaw ang tabi. Ano ni?
Lahi din klase blueberry. Sa diferensya.
An, hali, ang tarong nga.
An.
An,
Come here, Ann.
ang tour guide. Na-busy mo yung tour guide.
come here. We will ask you something. Only you can answer.
Come here, Ann. Ali na dahi.
Wala, dito yung palitan nila.
Ah. Oh.
Pero dagan ko ayo.
You have to sila na mo palit. Sila na mo pick.
Paliton.
Oh, paliton nila pero sila ang mo pick firstly.
Yan na andi lagi ka.
Hello!
Hi. That's the owner.
Hi.
Here's the owner. Bruce.
How you doing?
Really good. 8 a.m. to 6. Oh.
Ano para ang price dito? 10 liters 15.
No
Yes.
pets allowed. So you can't come in, Renee.
Ay, ang pet nag-video.
Hi! Hi!
Morning honor, morning honor.
Muni ang kuwan, guys.
Muli man ako kay pwede ako tugnaw. Nagtugnaw ko. Oh, bitaw nag-ilalim na tugnaw.
Kami ang magibiyaan namin sa mga tour guide.
Asa man ito guys? Hindi siya nagtrabaho.
Na, unsay, OP, unsay, Duko.
Duke o Greca.
Tara. Uy, yun interviewon kaniya.
Hindi, unsay difference.
Sabihin mo yan.
Oh, ano na-bake dili?
Oh.
That's our main thing, our baking.
So here guys, not only they have big blueberry farms, they have bakery, they have cafe here.
Sursuri sa mukha ko.
Sige, no worries. Oh. Oh, naa sila yung mga kuan. Candles. Nasa yung mga merchandise sad. Dahil mga cafe. O mga, ay, mga,
Magdaon gadon. Mani atong pasalubong. So magdana ta ini ka
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
O na, mga blueberry. Oh.
Monday night. Magpili na taon sa ikuan na to. Ano na lang ingon siyo. Cranberry lemon scones. Halaga na ako kana sige.
Kani ulam isa
Sige
niyo.
ko kadungog aning scones.
Kani.
Raspberry dark chocolate scones. Blueberry muffin.
Ay, ito na, mapisa. Kani event. Dark chocolate scones. Naa sila yung mga, usay tawagan natin.
Ang turnovers, I love turnovers.
Apple pie, mo rin ka parang apple pie.
Turnovers. Blueberry turnovers. Raspberry turnovers. Amo ni kung pwede ni mo dalon. 0.6
Oh.
kilograms. Wow. Ano? Blueberry custard pie. Yan. Okay.
Oh. 40 and 50. Oh, sige.
Ay, lapos.
Papamove eh. Pwede mapapubaan. Uy. Oh, napadyo sila yung mga branded na mga kuan. Oh. Bags, mga giveaways. Hmm. Oh, sana.
Hello, hello.
A little greenhouse.
Yes, it's a mess. Please ignore the smell. We just washed it with some filters.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Wow.
So,
Oh.
way down at the end, we've torn all the other plants out. We have a few strawberry plants left, and they're literally going to get torn out sometime in the next 2 to 3 days. We turn the water off to them, so they're not rooty yet. It hasn't been particularly.
Oh, there's strawberry. Oh.
Mm.
Oh, tomato. talaga eh.
Yeah, so if you want some strawberries, help yourselves.
Thank you.
But, yeah,
Oh,
This
this one.
they're likely not the greatest start at the moment.
Yeah.
Just, it's the end of the year.
Mm.
It's getting too hot for them to get a lot of size. The flavor should be okay today on them. It won't be the best. Because literally are going to be coming out. in the next year.
So is there a season for like strawberry?
Yeah, these plants we'll be planting again in about 3 weeks, not quite now, maybe 2. And
Good.
Is it all season? All season?
All season this.
yeah, they'll produce into Christmas, and then they shut down in
Oh, this is nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
and then they shut down because they don't have enough sunshine January, February, and then they start producing again in March. So yeah, and then because they're going to get torn out, letter. Not bad, huh?
Thank you. Oh, this is wow.
So everything's on drip irrigation.
Oh, ate. Oh.
So we take a
that's why
spike
it's
and there's
here.
your water line on the side.
Mm.
And then you stuff 2 plants into a pot like so. Everything's tangled. Stuff 2 plants into a pot like so, side by side. No matter what you do, algae grows. And there's your plants, right?
Okay.
So
Interesting.
in a good year, that will produce, oh, don't lie, about 1.5 kilos.
Wow. Okay. One.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Wow.
So there's 40,000 of those pots in here.
That's a lot, no?
And there we
Wow,
go.
you're a
Oh,
very
there's a
hard
nice one.
worker, no? It's very hard to maintain.
There's a really nice one. There's another really nice
So
one.
pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, so yummy, guys.
Yeah, and they're small. They're small,
Small.
right
Wow.
now.
So
Those are
yummy.
only about 20, 25 gram fruits. So, yeah, they will have good flavor if you get a good red one.
Oh, it's so yummy.
Mm.
No?
Yeah, so in a couple days these plants will be getting buried in a hole.
Mm.
There you go. So this is a 1 acre range. You'll see lots of this in Holland, Belgium, a fair bit in Ontario now. Yeah. And there's 42,000 plants in here when we're all said and done.
So done for strawberries.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets too hot. They stop making flowers when you get above about 25 C on your average daily temperature. Actually start to really slow down after 18 C, but when you get above 25, they stop making flowers. So, and the other problem is the strawberry market starts to slow down, and the size of the fruit goes down, and people just don't want to buy as many, etc. And it'd be
What's
nice
that?
to have enough time to. It's going to take probably a morning or so. Maybe I should turn the water back down. I don't know. The fruit's not large enough to sell. That's the other problem. The consumers here are very fickle. So, yeah.
And so our next stop, we're going to the Blueberry Farms. Okay.
Titi. Magkuhan siya, guys. Gihire siya ani, guys. Nag-hire sa siya ha ka ng kuan piso per hour.
As long as they don't go too fast. I'll get a
So mo na itong mga bagong gihire karon, guys. Kanay.
Okay, I don't know if I'm helping or hindering. Whoever wants to tailgate.
No, it's okay.
We're good, yeah.
We're good. Yeah.
I am wearing
Okay.
nag-shorts mo sa
Yeah.
Room for 3 up front.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Parks Blueberries. Yay! Hindi namin muling, guys.
Oh, these are raspberries.
And they're currently getting irrigated, lo and behold. So same system as the strawberries. You can see the drain water coming off the base. We got a little dripper or two in the bottom. Drip, drip, drip. That feeds them. They grow in this pot. There's 2 canes per pot. These were picked earlier today. Those 2 are a different variety. So we're not going to, if you find raspberries, it's because they got missed. Yeah, this is a very safe and staid system. There you go. That's a bit on the right side. Here's 2 or 3 that got missed. I don't think the flavor's going to be great right now.
There's one more here.
The flavor won't be really great at the minute.
Wow.
Yeah, they still want to hang on. So you can tell when they want to hang on like that and you have to yank, the flavor's not
Oh,
gonna be
like
very
this,
great.
like this, right?
Yeah. And what do you got there on the base? That is that a beetle or an undeveloped cell?
Is it a
That's an undeveloped cell. Okay. So there we have it. But if they don't pull off,
So
these
it's you have
guys
to
will-
just do like this, right? And then it falls off if
no, you
it's...
just want to give it a little tug, and if it
Ah,
comes
okay.
off easy, great. But
That's-
when it doesn't, like that,
Oh, so it's not ripe yet.
well, you can, they should be a deeper red than that in order to have some flavor. What
that
you've got
one-
there won't have very much
Yes,
flavor
very
at all.
much flavor.
That's one of the only ones that's likely to find unless you keep poking. But yeah. So there's just under 2,000 canes and 4 tunnels here. And this is our 2nd year of doing this.
For the raspberries.
Yeah. On this system, yeah.
On the system.
Yeah.
Cool.
And lots of guys have this in now. And for us, this is just enough.
Moving. Oh, wait, this one?
Yeah.
What is not
Go.
moving? Why come it's not moving?
Oh, yeah! Here's our driver!
Driver, guys!
Next is Spain!
Okay. Exchange places. Ano na, babe?
Oh, ako ning mga gitinudloan, guys.
Yeah! Bros! Next. Go! Go! Yun lagi ko.
May license, oh!
Guys! Mama, nakadrive na kang Toronto, guys.
Nag-drive siya. Kasi kalit kang break, ha? Ah, very good. Very good. Maayo, maminaw ba? Dire. Ay, sip-sap. Hinin na sa. Diray.
Try, shoot that to 50.
If you want to hang on,
Hang.
Hang on daw.
Sorry? Ah, dito.
Over there. Liko.
Oh, sige.
Nagugubi. Ano, boy?
Ala ka, mao na dyan siya. Hinay lang.
Hindi na lang, ang kaya ko ano. Guys,
Oh.
what's the top of the other Kubota? Top of the other Kubota?
there.
Oh, yeah, that's part there.
Park here. Yay! Ito na ay. Yay! Uy, tarong ang parking, day. Oh.
Stop na. Oh, look. Oh, pwede ka masakay that tractor para magkuan ka at asa ka mag-pick og mga berries.
Amo na ni mag-drive si Kuan.
Have a good one, guys.
Ah,
Okay.
No,
she went there with
the company.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yes, yes.
Ah, Rika.
Wala kung di ganahan ako sa ang dilit ng mga cross mo sila. Nagagos ko to.
Not following instruction.
Di ko sila magpatuo sa science. Science did that.
Sampay.
Nandila mag-sample.
Hapit lang sa din na hulit. Kasi grabe man. Hala, uy.
O anak ni documentation jud ni kay ko ang
Wala pa ni-hire ninyo dito photographer?
udi makitaan kay karon.
Kaya pati mahala ni photographer. Mahal, uy. Nagpa-picture. Kabrato ra ganito kong amiga. Kung mga amiga. 150. Kadiyo tra jud kayo nag-picture ni May.
Unsa mo ni ang Duk?
This is Rika.
Rika.
This is on the other side. We'll go that Kini siya, it has a stronger taste. This one has
Ang
a...
Rika,
Ako favorite ni sa akong mother-in-law.
ang Rika.
Yeah. Naka-blueberry picking na ba mo sa una?
Wala pa first
Oh,
time.
haskap na din.
Haskap.
Sorry, di siya ko ganan. Haskap.
Di kay ano mo sa nimo.
Moro may na dito.
Sakto sad.
Mo ray nga tong kuha mo ni kanang mo ana lang choosing pa ba ka?
Layo kay Upi pero amo ra tuon.
Ang tuon na lang dyan ninyo.
May lain man.
Bita tinuod, bita. Sakto dyan ka. Ang among mga customer dyan, lagi man sa kayo.
A few moments later.
Ha? Guys, we're here.
Paminaw sa good boy ingon si nagban ka na video ka wala. Ingon si Hope nga kung napa lang to kung makadto pa lang ta pa dito, now day Ford dito nga museum. Di ba Ford? Noon da ang Detroit og kanang museum Ford Museum. Hi hi.
Guys, we're here in USA, Detroit. Detroit?
Ito namatyan ni Kennedy ba?
Mm.
Yeah, ang Lincoln na yung namatyan.
Allah.
Boy boy.
Oh.
Imo sa Kenan Ford, di ba?
Oh.
Ikan ka dito.
Wow.
Oh. We're here in USA,
Detroit.
Detroit. Ano? Sana all. Oh, hello guys. We're here in where?
Detroit, USA.
There you go. There. But we are here in Windsor, Canada.
Riverside.
Riverside. Amazing kayo, no?
Oh, amazing kayo guys. Canada, US.
Yeah. So, ang ihang pagitan kay dagat ra jud oh.
Kung kuan guys.
Wala ka kusog sa bawd. Uy. Woo. Woo. Mga cellphone.
Ari diri niya naman diri ba?
Na dapat yung mga kuan oh. Na ay casino ni. Casino, Caesars. And then na ay kanang peryahan. Oh. Yuhu!
Dili kay busy.
Oh, kana dili kayo.
Oh yeah, so guys. Ano na kanito dili kay na mga center mga sa tanan.
Ya maka New York pa ka. Oh, pato ta.
Siya would like kag na ang Kentucky din do naman. Nakaduro mo anak ko luwasan. Nagbuwas nagpareha sa side sa luwasan.
Nara sa Kentucky.
A few moments later.
So naanasan mi diri guys sa Dairy Farm. Ah.
Oh. Well, the dog's the hit of the show.
Snoopy!
These are friends of yours from Whitehorse.
Hello!
Hi.
I said I gotta go pick up a dryer.
Just a second.
Ay, sorry.
Is the lady on me?
Ay, sorry. Hello.
It's so big.
Oh. Hello.
Kana ka mag-selfie mo.
These have just been milked.
Unsa na? Milk na nila?
Yeah, they've
Ay.
just been milked.
Here, if you want to get them to put that on their shoes, well, that way it keeps them clean and cross-contamination for us.
Sorry.
Okay.
Booties?
Yeah. Well, just they're wearing. Sorry, get them booties. So, yeah. Are you good to show them around then?
No, I'm not a very good host.
Well, I'm going
I'm
out
just
for
being
dinner
a
for my
silly guy.
niece.
How are you? Oh, yeah.
I'm going out for dinner.
Really?
It's our anniversary. You were out on the second, so we're going out tonight for dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
we
come on
found a
in.
new friend.
Look away, yeah?
Okay.
Have a tour, yes.
Ah.
Go ahead.
Ha?
Mana sila give me out.
Oh. So, may pangalan din nila.
Kani si Rene Boy.
Fiti Irene. Hello, turo. Unsa to? Turo. Mga tae mo. Sa mga tae.
375, sige. Hi, 375.
Isa nga ni Rene Boy.
And then it pumps over to the milk house, eh? But it's washing now, just like a dishwasher or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh.
Move all the way around the bound. It washes the stainless steel pipe.
Amazing.
Oh.
Pwede ka sa tatag ng sauna na ka na.
Dili na uso.
Automatic na naman.
So what do you get a day out of one of these? What's that? What do you get a day out of one of these cows, Pat? Oh, I got a pail. Wait a minute.
Asa takaronte?
Sa
Birch tree. Oh, no, so cute. Ay. Ay.
This one was born on Friday
Oh,
and that one was born on Saturday.
Oh, Friday, Saturday.
so cute.
Friday, Saturday na nataboy.
Sa Friday, nagtatao. Sa bako lang eh. Oh. 1 week old boy. Only the 1 week old boy. Matthew.
Oh, yeah. Friday.
Today is
Sunday. So this is the old young, right? Oh, this one day. This one.
He said these are the old cows and it That's nice. That's nice.
How's the blueberries?
Field trip dire. Nindot kaya mo ang bakasyon, no? Ang bakasyon includes nato mi US, nato mi dire sa Ontario, dito mi sa Blueberry Parks
Ari sa ta sa
Country.
mga gatas guys o sa mga beef. Angus. Are you having fun guys?
Yeah, we should have good crops for next year.
See you more tomorrow.
Canada Day.
Yes, in secret. Watch out.